New at 10, two Ohio County individuals were arrested in November following the discovery of a body in the Ohio County neighborhood that dates back to a case in 2023. Those individuals entered a plea today. News 9's Claire O'Neill has the details from the courtroom.
At Ohio County Circuit Court on Monday, married couple Christopher and Sarah Riley entered into guilty pleas to the concealment of a deceased human body. This came after the June 2021 death of Andrew Downs in Ohio County. Instead of the Rileys contacting police or 911 after Downs' death from a likely drug overdose, the body was buried in their backyard at the home at the time at 316 Leopold Lane and was reported on January 2nd, 2023 from Whitehall Police.
In order to make this plea agreement, the state of West Virginia said we would not charge conspiracy because clearly Christopher and Sarah were working together, husband and wife, to cover up this death, to cover up the burial.
All three had a history with drug possession, and Ohio County Prosecuting Attorney Shawn Turak says there's been no explanation to why the Rileys did not notify authorities.
There's been no explanation provided for why they didn't. My suspicion is fear, of course, and that's understandable, but I mean, the thing to do, obviously, you can't just bury a body in a backyard. That's just unacceptable. It's unconscionable.
Now 5 years since Downs' death and 3 years since exhuming the body, Turak says it's important to note just how many people worked to identify the human remains from the property.
In order to properly investigate this case, it took Marshall University DNA to identify the decedent. It took the University of Tennessee Anthropology Department to do a forensic anthropological examination to determine how many bodies were found. It took police and law enforcement in Ohio and in West Virginia years to put this investigation together. It's an unbelievable amount of resources dedicated to just discovering this young man who was died and then buried in a backyard.
A sentencing hearing will be held at a later date for this, in addition to a pre-sentencing investigation report. News 9 will of course keep you updated when this happens, but for now, reporting in the Wheeling Content Center, I'm Claire O'Neill, News 9.
Hi, I'm Dylan Cleland. Thanks for watching. And here's another video to check out, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.